Next message.
Met you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta, New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck, all I know is you hot and you know this. You make it easy to blow this, you know this thing. Hurricane that ass for me, shaped like a glass for me. It's like I knew what I liked.
Okay, so I'm about to season my chicken so I can make my chicken salad. This is just some coconut oil. I'm doing basic seasoning on this side, and then I'm gonna season it really good on the upper side. Okay, and we want to add just a little bit of rosemary, and then I'm gonna take and rub her in like so, just to get her a little tantalized. Excuse me. So I might season my wings some more because I may take the wings off and actually eat the wings. Yeah, we're gonna add some more seasoning. I just made sure I didn't burn it. That's all I did. So it's the next morning, and this is really what you want to do when you do get if you're gonna make chicken salad. This is literally every grocery store you get chicken salad from, for the most part, comes from those rotisserie chickens that they sell, and then they go and they pull it from the day and they debone it, and then they make chicken salad. So literally this is just how they make chicken salad, at least at Randall's. So since I don't gotta go to work, I'm gonna try to have this sitting out some type of way. I hope this as a thingy works, because it doesn't, you bitch. So I'm going to find some way so I can have this sitting out, because when I debone it, I don't want it to be cold. I want it to be easy. Hey, that didn't take long at all. I put it in this bowl, got this plate, and everything is sealed tight. And then because I'm a little extra, we're just gonna place this to make sure it stays down. And that feel good. And go my home. And then badass right here. The bad self. Okay, so I'm about to make my smoothie for the week, basically. I like doing it like a smoothie bowl. So I add a little bit of yogurt for flavor, really, that vanilla flavor. That's what I got the yogurt for. And also to help with the creamy consistency. So that's probably about half a cup. Ain't none of this for you. Goodbye. Then I'm gonna add in my avocado. This is basically a whole avocado. Don't matter what size. And that's for protein as well as for creamy consistency. And then I was going to feed the dog and I was like, I wonder if I add a yam. So I'm gonna add me about a quarter of a yam, basically. And also, I feel like that could also aid a little bit in the creaminess. So we got that. And then we're going to add the rest of this spinach from last week before this goes bad, basically. And also, you can freeze your spinach too. Since you're going to be putting it in here anyway, before it goes bad, you can just put it in the freezer and have it ready to go like that too. So, my spinach. And then now, the good shit, we got some berries. And I'm probably not going to, I ain't got no fruit. Ugh. Gonna be a little boring because I ain't got no fruit to top it off with. I'm gonna add the rest of these pineapples and then mango. And mangoes is good for creaminess as well, so keep that in mind for your smoothie bowls. Now this is number 2. So it may not come out as creamy, but honestly, I don't care. It still tastes good. So it serves its purpose, and that's all that matters, just in case this don't look the way that you feel like it should look. Then I got coconut water. Doing the tangerine flavoring because I like doing orange juice in my stuff. That's how I started off with making my smoothies, is just like using orange juice. So we have that, and then we're gonna blend it up. So this is what she's looking like. Now let's see what she tastes like. That's it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so fucking good. It's just watery than what I would want it, but since I ain't got no fruit to top it off at, we just gonna have her chilling in the freezer for later. Ooh, bitch. That's good. I cannot lie. I wanted to wait to add beets to my next one, but I feel like I finally did the consistency that I'm happy with as far as in like the taste. Now we gotta work on the ratio for the liquid so it's not too runny. Like this is perfect consistency. It's just a little too runny. I don't really want to add ice in it because I feel like you may make it chunky and clumpy. So I'm just gonna freeze it and see how it happens that way. And if it's creamy and not so clunky, then I'll just make it, freeze it, and do it like you do ice cream. And then also, like, if you need a late night snack, this is good. Like, I would still like spruce it up like a parfait basically, but as a late night snack, like, this would be your friend type of shit. So we're just gonna have her chilling in here, ready to motherfucking go when it's time to go. Coconut water will probably be my staple, flavored or not, and orange juice will probably be my staple. Specifically orange juice, that's my bitch. Like, she ain't never done me wrong. And honestly, I could have added a little bit of the Zen tea as well. So if you're a tea drinker, literally make you a tea and you can use your tea by adding all your benefits and everything in your tea and put it in your smoothie just as much. So like basically use your tea like a vitamin to add your vitamins to your smoothie versus pills and shit like that. So I'm talking to you, but I'm also talking to myself because I forgot I used to do that too. So what I'll probably do is literally I'll probably have my teas probably made. Like whenever I get extra herbs, I just have it made and then just drink it. So yeah. So I'm about to go take a bath real quick, and then I need to make sure I eat, and then depending on how much time I got, I might go get my fruit so I can come back and have my parfait bowl. So yeah. Oh yeah, we still gotta debone this chicken. So we'll see. And look how me poof. Look how pooped he is. This is what my meat looking like. Have it all separated, deboned. I'm about to separate my chicken wings. So we got that. Here go a wing. That's a meal right there. And then we got a whole nother meal here. So this is at least 2 meals right here. And then this right here may give me 2 or 3 sandwiches. Yeah, probably about 2 or 3 sandwiches. And then if I don't eat the rest of this, then we're gonna do the same thing. Hey. Okay, I was just literally talking to the camera and the camera wasn't even recording. So at least this is going to be even quicker now that I've already said it. But I was working and this lady literally, she's walking by and I'm working, and at first I see her stop and I smile, I acknowledge her, but I thought she was just taking a picture of my hair. No, I turn back around and she's standing and she's waiting to get her shot of me. Like, she stopped to take a picture of me, and I'm like, oh my god. Number one, I'm flattered, but number two, her body position and where she was and where she was taking that picture, I was like, ooh, that is a dope shot. Like, if I saw somebody, like, literally, I don't know what her vision was, but the shot was the dope shot. I know that much. So yeah, I'm just flattered. That's it. Grocery haul, nothing fancy. I got a lot of chips, which I ain't even mean it for it to be this way, but you know how I feel about my chips. So I got me some more spinach. We gotta clean her out. Not really, well, we just gotta straighten her up. I got me wrap snacks, ooey wavy boozy Louisiana heat, HEB barbecue ridges, baked Cheetos, and wrap snacks Migos sour cream with a dab of ranch. All right, this is the goodies bag. We got our fruits, some blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. We got some more avocados. I finally got my beet, and I got me some oranges, and I got baby watermelon. Hopefully this is good since it's getting into that season. Got me some more orange juice. Ugh, please ignore my Frigidaire. She horrible right now. I ain't even gonna lie. I got these jumbo cinnamon rolls, HEB brand. I just stopped and looked and I gravitated to it, so we're gonna give this a try. That'll probably be a breakfast food as well. Breakfast snack food, honestly, for the dry bar. It's perfect for that day. Got him some ground chicken. Since he's been going crazy over chicken, it's gonna be his meat for the week or two, however long this lasts. Should be trying to get that fixed tonight, honestly, because I don't want to just feed him a whole bunch of dog food. And I got me biscuits. Okay. Oh well, it's not gonna matter. Yeah, and I got me some biscuits. Hopefully they don't bust. I dropped them in the store when I was bagging up my groceries. So that's my little mini haul. Mostly a lot of fruit was the main goal. And then since I'm making the chicken salad, the chips for my sandwiches, and that's really all that's important, is this for smoothies and my smoothie bowl, y'all. Been watching too much Martin, so I'm gonna let that I'm gonna let this defrost a little, and then I'm gonna make me a bowl of this and get my Frigidaire in order a little bit. Fruit tip 101. Although you normally want to wash your fruit and then put it up, for all your berries, do not wash them, because the minute water touches your berries, mold and all that, well, not even mold per se, but the mold shit starts to grow on it faster if it's wet. So although I do not want to put this in here dirty like this, this is the best way to maximize on both my berries. So that's a quick little tip. And this look good. Strawberries and berries. Yeah. chop up my chicken real quick. And you can either chop it up or do it by hand. The choice is yours. So I'm just about to chop this up real quick. Chicken all cut up. So I got the frozen jalapenos and onions from my freezer. Gonna add just a little bit of that in there. Try not to do none of the juice. I don't want none of the water. You're gonna dump that in there. You want all of that. And then we have leftover celery from the last time. I froze it, and I'm just gonna put a little. I just want a little bit, not a lot. And then we throw in the rest in the trash. Yeah, I think that's about it right there. Just as kind of like a big pinch, basically. And then next, we're going to take, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mayo. Don't matter. As I was cooking this, as I was chopping up my chicken, I think my next go round, I'm gonna try to find me a vegan mayo. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of this spicy garlic parmesan. Give it a little flavor. Nothing fancy, just a little flavor, a little bit more seasoning, basically. Oh shit. And then I got my McDonald's Big Mac sauce. It's like Thousand Island to me. Well, not Thousand. Is it Thousand? Not Thousand Island. Sandwich spread. So we gonna put some of that up in there. That's my sandwich spread right there. And then take a little bit of some sweet relish. I know that's so close up. There we go. Sweet relish. Shake it up. I don't want all that juice. Put a little bit of that in there. That's about whatever this spoon is. Give or take. And then mix it all up. And I'm a consistency girl, so that's really how I cook. And I really feel like I'll probably just add a smidget more, but this is really good. I don't want it runny. I want to have more meat on my sandwich than sauce. So honestly, I think I'm good with this. I don't really need to try it, honestly. It's gonna be good enough. Watch, I say all of that is gonna be nasty as hell. So yeah, we got chicken salad.
Girl, I get the money where fi make you mine, oh. If you love me, every night fi make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I fi make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke, is you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I gon' pay.
try my chicken salad sandwich on cam real quick. This how she looking. I made it on a cheddar and jalapeno bagel. I got me a little fruity fruit to eat on the side. And then I'm trying the Wrap Stacks Ooey Wavy, the Boosie Louisiana heat kind. So the double trying thing going on. Little double whammy. Smell like a chip. Ooh, I feel it in my throat. I feel it in my throat. Okay. You see what this chicken salad hitting for. Okay. It don't take like nothing special, but chicken salad and chips is a yes. Oh, that's good because it looked like the old school barbecue ruffles when I put them on the plate. Yeah. Like, if you a sandwich person like me, I would put this bitch on a sandwich. Like, low-key, I'm excited to make my next sandwich so I can put this in my fucking sandwich. Oh, I used to love doing that with the Ruffle barbecue chips. Baby, I introduced that shit to my ex. He was like, what? Like, he was so flabbergasted on me putting my chips in there. And then I broke it down and he's like, okay. And then he tried it. He was like, oh, yeah. This is it. This is it. So, yes. This is it. Like, ooh, I'm excited to put some chips in my sandwich. Like, I love me a good sandwich. Like, ooh, can't go wrong with that, baby. The spicy garlic parmesan that I put in there, yeah, that's what set this shit on fire. Like, ooh.
I'm looking for, yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the B-time and the East run. She drive a Nissan and she in a Pima. I don't want her.